Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to bring MS Access database tables into Excel and work on those data. Okay, so this is very short method is given by the Excel itself to bring external data inside the Excel worksheet. Okay, the very good option here is the bring it from MS Access database. Okay, you can go here. I already opened a new worksheet and I go here to data. Okay, data menu. Okay, in the data tab you can see get external data. Okay, you can get many data, the external data from other sources, but I'll show you in this video how to bring MS Access database tables and use those tables into our worksheet. Okay, so when you go here you can click on from Access. Okay, get external data from Access. Okay, in the Access what you can do, you can go and select where your MS Access database file resides. Okay, so I'll go to my location. I put it in the database. Okay, Adventure Walks. Okay, there you can find the MS Access database tables. Mostly the MS Access database tables you can have these extensions .amdb, mde or .accdb and accde. Okay, now the previous versions we call it as a .amdb and mde. Now it becomes .accdb in current versions of Access. So what I have here is .accdb and I select that accdb. Okay, this is my MS Access data base file. Okay, then I just open it. When you open, you can see the set of tables available in my database. Okay, there could be many tables in database. You can see here that you can see human resource department, human resource employee, employee address, and so on, and it's a lot of tables available here. Sales and customers and sales in stores, all those stuff, and of the products available. So lot of tables in the MS Access database. Now which table you want to bring in? It could be one table, or you can also enable selection for multiple tables. So for the first step I'll show you only the one table. Okay, human resource department I am bringing to sheet 1. Okay, so I just press OK. Then what happens here is importing the data. So what do you want to import the data? Okay, select how you want to view this data in your workbook. So now this example I am showing you how to bring the data into your Excel worksheet only. Okay, so you use it, the very basic thing. So what I'm doing here is I'm showing you how to bring as a table. Okay, so I bring this view this data in your workbook as a table. Okay, so I bring it to the table and in the existing worksheet, and now I will go to press OK. You can also see the properties, and for time being I just go for table. OK, you can see that particular table has come as a table from MS Access table is imported here as a table. Okay, so this table and modified date, it itself giving the filter because it's a table. So the data is here. So whatever you want to do it, you can do it using as a Excel worksheet. tables. Okay, so the data is already imported into your sheet. Okay, you can see the data here. Okay, we will go and do the multiple options. Go here and data from access. I'll go to the database adventure works. So this time what I'll do, I will bring the employee and the sales store. Okay, I will enable the multiple selection, sales store, sales individual, and employee. Okay, and probably one more thing, I will add production product. Okay, I just click OK. Now I want it to in the table format. Press OK. What is happening? Let's see. Because we selected a set of tables, so it is trying to retrieve data from the MS Access database. Okay, if the data is more, then it will take quite long to import all the tables. Okay, if it is only a few records, it will be faster, but okay, see, it is imported, but what happens in each each table comes in different sheets. Okay, we selected 4 tables, and all these 4 tables, MS Access tables, imported in different sheets. That is more logical, that because the tables cannot be confused with the other tables data. Okay, so this way you can bring back the external data of different tables in MS Access database and work on the data inside your own worksheet. This is our, we previously brought the table data, imported the data, and this all different tables. Okay, this is the employee table, and this is the product table, and this is the sales by, this is sales individual. Okay, the salesperson and the customer. Okay, this way you can start working on MS Access database tables inside the worksheet, and use these tables as it is data lies in the Excel worksheet, because the data is already imported into your Excel worksheet. Okay, what I will do is I just save the data, new folder. I'll say it is MS Access. Okay, new folder, save. Okay, it may take some time because it's a lot of data lies there. Okay, now I go here, close it. Okay, just to close this one also, don't save. Okay, now what I will do is I will go again and open that Excel sheet. What happens? MS Access Excels. it straight away opens the data. It is not importing again from the Excel worksheet, because it's imported already. The data is laid in your worksheet. Not every time when you open you need to go back to MS Access and get the tables back. No, whatever tables needed, you just import it. Once you imported, the data is in your Excel worksheet, and you can start modifying or do whatever it is, and save it in your Excel worksheet itself. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you to find out how to bring external data, especially from Access, and import it into your Excel worksheet and play work with it. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, just press subscribe and give your comments and suggestions, and leave your own problems to need to be solved by other commenters. Then you just leave your problem, any one of us can give you a solution out there, and God bless you.